guys, welcome to Sal's Garage. If you're new here, we're a hubby and wifey car enthusiasts, and we like to do car reviews, car DIY mods and maintenance. And then for today, we're gonna be painting the brake calipers. So the first thing we need to do is sand the brake calipers. So this is what you would need to do. So after you're done sanding it, you need to spray it with brake clean. Wipe it down with a rag. Oh, it smells like nail polish remover. I don't like it. I don't like that smell. To paint the brake calipers, we're gonna be using this spray paint. And also using a paintbrush to paint it on the brake caliper. So I'm trying to spray a lot in there so it's really watery, so that I can have like a nice coat on the brake caliper. And I know it looks really thin and watery, but we are gonna be layering it a few times, and every time we do layer it, we need to wait for it to dry. So this is our first coat. Also keep in mind when you're painting it to not paint the rotors. So that's why I'm only painting this area right here. So now we're gonna switch over on a time lapse as we paint the brake caliper on the front wheel.